Hello, welcome. In this video I will be demonstrating my work for the Enhancement 7 assignment on the PHP motor site. So currently this is the home view of the site, and I'm going to log in with an account . So this is currently an account that has a client level of less than 1. As you can see, the update account information is here showing, but the vehicle management link is not showing because the current account has a client level less than 2 rather. So I'm going to log out with this account, and you can see that the link works from here. The link to managing an account works from here. So I'm going to also try that with an administrative account. So I'm just trying to log out. Okay, so I've logged out. I'm going to log in with an account with a client level of more than one. So okay, so just logged in as an admin, and I'm going to update the account information. So first I'm going to try updating the information. So I'll click on the updates. First I'm going to enter an empty field and turn off the client-side validation, then updates. So you can see that there is an empty field, and so now I would enter the new value and click on update. So it's been updated successfully, and currently I'm in the admin panel with the changes reflecting. Next I'm going to update the password. Great. So I just updated the password successfully. Next, I'm going to demonstrate that these views, the update account view, validates with HTML and CSS. You can see the HTML validates correctly. Okay, the CSS validates properly. Then I'm going to check with the wave tool. So there are no errors. Okay, thank you very much.